going on, my virtual home? So today we are doing an unboxing, and as you can tell, we are going to be unboxing and taking a first look at this Maxify MB2720 Canon printer, okay? Okay, so my virtual home. Here we have the Canon printer. It's going to be wireless. You're going to be able to print, copy, scan, and fax with this particular model. So it's going to be able to connect via Wi-Fi. Okay, you're going to be able to connect this device via Wi-Fi, USB, and mobile printing. Okay. So that's really, really good. You're going to have the LCD color touch screen. So that's very good. And the paper capacity is going to be up to 500 sheets, okay? So that's really, really great. Alright. Your ink for this particular printer, it looks like 1200 C. 1200M, 1200Y, and 1200 black, okay? So there might be 4 different cartridges to kind of get the ink where it needs to be. I'm going to see if we can find this particular printer on Amazon, and I'm going to put the link in the description. Guys, I'm so excited about this printer, so let's see if there's anything else. So yeah, you're going to be able to print via Wi-Fi. You're going to be able to Apple AirPrint. And all of that. It has the Energy Star certification. And a Wi-Fi protected setup seal. So yeah, all of that is great. Alright, so alright guys, so we are gonna see what's in the box, okay? And of course this printer is from Canon, so if Amazon does have it, of course it's gonna come from Canon, so the box content should be very similar, if not exactly the same for you guys. Let's see, if I can't find the exact model, I will find the closest one to it. Here we have a Canon setup guide. One thing I love about Canon is that, for me, it's never really too hard to set it up. So I'm very excited about that. Let's see. These are our ink cartridges. So the very first thing we see is a one black 200, one black 1200, one blue C 1200, one M 1200, and then one Y 1200. So very excited to see all 4 cartridges. That's like the very first thing I see, and I'm very excited to see that. The very next thing I see is a connector. So this is going to be the wall connector piece that we have here. Okay, let's undo this. So yeah, this part goes into the wall, and this part goes directly into the printer. Here's a look at our connector. Looks like we have something else here. This is our telephone jack. So if you are connecting the fax component, you would use the telephone jack for that. Because I know that I may not be connecting that on the initial setup, I'm going to leave it in the protective bag. Alright, moving on. Let's see. We have our phone to protect the printer. Okay. Our little phone, let's get that out the way. Right here up top, looks like we have our drivers. So it does have a CD drive. I'm very happy to see that. A lot of times when I buy Canon, I have to go online and download the drivers. So it might be a more easy process. It does give us some more things to check out, like postal artists, and we'll take a look at all of that on our own time. All right, do you mind helping me grab this printer? So we're gonna elicit a little help because this printer does tend to be kind of big and bulky. I'm not trying to say your name. Can you help me grab this printer? Alright, so we're going to get our partner all big and strong to reach in here and grab this printer. This printer, you guys will see, show the camera too. This printer you guys will see, it is kind of big. It is. So, it is big. Give it that. Alright, so yeah, here we go. We have this printer. We're just going to take a quick look, okay? I love the blue. Most of the time when I buy Canon, I believe even if it's in black, it's not necessarily blue right there. So I really do love that. We have the LED display right here. So you have your on button, your home, your back button, your black, and your copy and your stop button, as well as your indicator light. Very excited about that. Up here is where we have the scan function. Very simple scan function right there. And I believe this is where our ink is going to go. Looks like our paper trays are down here. This is our little flip out situation. So you can kind of hold the paper as it's being printed. That's pretty cool. And it looks like we have an additional paper tray right here. So this is the additional. Looks like this is the like the main, and then so forth. Okay. So not much goes on in the back. It looks like most of the functionality is going to happen in the front. Looks like this is where we're going to plug up our power cord and our telephone cord. But outside of that, guys, that is it. This is our printer, the Maxima MB2720.
It's not that.
His name's Jim. So yeah, Maximum MB2720. As we unbox this printer and get to know it, we will come back and do another update with you guys as far as like how's it going. You know, maybe show you how to load the paper and things like that. Speaking of paper, the paper that we got is this right here. And I'm going to try to find this paper on Amazon, but it looks like Pen Gear is the name. It's copy paper for everyday use. And it's jam resistant, so that's good. It's 500 sheets, so we're very happy about that. 92 bright, whatever that's supposed to mean. With that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. Canon is of good quality, and this printer does it all. So if you are in the market for a printer, check out the Maxify MB2720. We're about to put this baby to work, okay? And man, we're gonna accomplish some great things with this printer. I'm gonna go ahead and speak that into existence, guys. So I'm very excited about this particular device. Hey, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like the video. It definitely helps the algorithm, and it lets us know that you may want to see more content like this. Okay. Now, if you guys want to be one of the very first to get content as soon as we drop new content here on my virtual home, then all you have to do is hit the bell notification button above. And as soon as we drop content, you'll get a notification. Last but not least, if you want to join our family, you want to subscribe to our channel, go ahead and do so. If you want to let us know in the comments that you subscribed, we would love to know so that we can love all of you in the comments. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. This printer is definitely a beauty, and we're going to see you on the next video.